me and Madison with my brother EJ, aka assistant, and today we are going to be making slime. I'm not your side. The ingredients for these slimes, which I'm going to put on the camera right over here, is glue, food coloring, baking soda, and eye contact.
And you need a spatula.
And a bowl.
Yeah.
And somewhere where you can get dirty.
Yeah, so somewhere, like, if it was on your carpet, please don't. It'll stain. Like, or it'll just stick to the carpet forever. Please don't. Child. Me, I'm not a puppy.
The slime you're going to have, or just maybe a little more. Oh, whatever.
Yeah, oh, it also have a mat, because that might happen. It might spill.
Yeah, so. Next, you are going to add your food coloring. And EJ, what color do you want to use?
Red. It's both of our favorite colors.
Well, it's not going to be red.
How many drops?
It's going to turn pink.
Oh, okay.
For you don't want pink.
Okay, then green. No, yellow.
You want to do yellow? That's yellow. It will turn yellow, okay?
Wait, okay. So, how many drops? You gotta tell them how many drops.
Try 3.
Okay, 3 drops. If it doesn't work, do 4. 1.
No, that's not a drop.
Okay,
that's a squirt.
Okay, then count as 2.
3. Okay. This is what it looks like so far. We don't have sugar. So then after that, you would get your handy dandy spatula, and then you would mix it.
Mix.
So this is what it looks like so far. Okay. So, either put it down.
Okay.
So the next thing you're gonna use is baking soda.
You might want to get a few more mixes unless your slime is really big.
Hold up the baking soda.
So this is baking soda.
And how much do you want me to pour?
I don't want you to pour this one. You would just grab a pinch of baking soda and then perfect. Then you mix it in.
Mix it.
And I have a pink spatula. EJ has a blue one, and it still kind of looks the same.
Like, kind of looks the same, but that makes it not like stick together, and you can stretch it. But the activator makes it so it can stick off your hands a little. So
the next thing we're gonna use
is activator.
Activator, whatever it's called. Eye contact solution. I'm being Pacific. Say Pacific. Specific.
You can't even say it.
Whatever.
Pacific is an ocean.
Oh God, Ma. Oh God.
If it's not activating enough, you would add a little bit more baking soda, which I'm gonna do so I can show you if this happens.
It's turning into slime because I just touched it.
You're not supposed to touch it until it's actually slime. Oh well. Don't touch it, crazy.
It just do that.
Paper towels.
From our magic paper towels for
That we have paper towels now.
It's called magic. It's called phone video magic. Yeah. Okay, now you need to mix it. You gotta mix it.
I'll let you do the mixing and I'll do the pouring, okay?
Okay.
Squeeze. Okay. Mix.
We're using a lot of activator. I don't know why. Use both.
Maybe that wasn't the best idea. Use one. Okay, we have to show it. Let's show it.
Show it. That now it's looking more like slime, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put mine on the things.
Let's show it more.
Let me put it right here. That's what it looks like so far. It's like a mustard color.
I'm so mad.
Okay. So now we're gonna add more eye contact solution until it's fully ready. So now it's starting to activate.
Yep.
So this is what it looks like when it starts to activate.
Yep. Look, but if you don't know, pick it up. It looks like slime. It definitely looks like slime.
We'll give you a quick close up of what it looks like.
Nope, not a quick.
Wait.
A long close up.
You should let the bowl go.
Yeah.
Okay, EJ, I want you to make a freestyle on slime right now. Ready? I'll make you a beat, okay? I love slime, just to let you know, slime is on my life, just to let you know, doing this video of slime. Mix it, put activator, glue, put giant Vader. My favorite part of making slime is probably the mixing because I see all the things combined together. What's your favorite part of making slime, guys? Comment down below. Comment down below.
And guess
Words
what?
are hard,
People,
sorry.
it's slime, but it's just sticky.
It's still sticky. I'm gonna let EJ do the mixing because this is
Hard.
You would try to get it onto the edges with your spatula, or you could even use a popsicle stick. But I recommend a spatula.
Yeah,
Get
it's
off
more
all the
easier.
sides. Well, that's what you would do to get it out. So once it's like that, you just
Boom. Okay.
don't touch it yet. Don't touch it yet.
You almost poked my eye right out.
Sorry.
Your face is a little too close. Sit on your bottom.
Well, it hurts.
I'm sorry.
Does anybody care?
If you would sit on your bottom. There you go.
If you saw what happened, comment down below.
Comment. EJ almost lost his eyeball.
Yeah, comment hashtag EJ almost lost his eyeball.
Okay.
Over slime.
And I'll give away a free eyeball. Anybody
No.
like that? I'm kidding. A dead eyeball.
So before you start playing with your slime, you would want to add eye contact solution over it. But if it's the perfect texture, you don't have to. But I recommend that because EJ over here will do that.
It'll just stick to me. I used to be the slime master. No.
So I'm
Dude.
kneading the slime. Yep, that's EJ.
This is sticky. And now mine forever. It's stuck. Wait.
Yep, that's EJ. Wait, let me help you.
My fingers. My head.
Oh, why did I do that? I just wanted to get some slime. So when you're working with slime and you have slime, it would stick to you, like to EJ. But the only way, but to prevent it from sticking to you, I actually learned this. If you have hot hands, that actually helps and it won't make your slime stick to you. Because when you have cold hands, the coldness absorbs into your hands and sticks into cloud.
My hands are warm.
So would you say you have slime hands?
I have slime hands.
And what does EJ have?
Cold hands.
Sticky, cold, weird hands.
Hey, I'm not sticky.
Non-slime hands.
So if he was to add some activators to his hands, how would that help him?
That would help him get the slime off of him, yes.
So, okay, so why don't we try that?
We were just, I was adding eye contact solution to his hand so he can get it off. So now it's off.
Barely.
And now the slime's better now, so it won't stick to EJ's hands anymore. Try feeling it. Move fast, okay? Fast. Not that fast. And yeah, you move slow. You go first.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't even know, honestly, forgot how to make a bubble. I don't even know how to make a okay. I can't pull this.
Pull it up like this. Hold it. I'm helping you. Hold this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My turn. Fine, I'll give you one more try.
Yeah, I don't know how to make one. Yeah, I got it!
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get this first try though.
Yeah, bye-bye dollar. Okay, let's see.
I won, obviously. Go get your
How
money.
did you do it?
I won. So, we have our slime done, but now we just need to add
Glitter!
2,000 years later.
34 hours later. Okay. Okay. So next I'm just gonna add the glitter in.
Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Y'all don't know. Y'all don't need to know why that's
crazy, crazy. Once upon a time.
What color glitter do everybody else like, man?
Eden! I have a question for you guys. Do you like gold glitter or would you use a different color? Comment down below. Okay, so we're gonna put. We have big ones and little ones. So we're gonna add big gold ones like this size.
I'm just getting all the big ones.
Okay. And little glitter like this size. Make sure you do this over a mat, because if you don't do it over a mat, it would be everywhere.
Yeah, then if you have a dog, your dog would eat it. And then if she eats the glitter,
R.I.P.
that little one, like that little one over there. Your dog might die.
Poor doggy.
Poor doggy. It's your dog
Okay.
died.
So I'm mixing in the glitter right now. I might need a little bit more though, because glitter blends in. Glitter goes into the thing and then it can't get out. So it's trapped.
Ah, man, karate chop. I'm gonna karate chop through the slime.
Ready? Set.
Wait,
Say
what? It doesn't. Wait, what?
Ready? Set. You did it! Now sing.
Okay, you want me to sing?
CJ, yodel about glitter. Let's see how fast.
Okay. Yodeling glitter, yodeling that. Yodeling glitter, yodeling that.
You just keep yodeling all the way around. You sound like a dying merchant.
I'm not a Martian. Okay. Yodeling, yodeling glitter. Yodeling, yodeling glitter.
Okay,
Yodeling, yodeling, do it every day. Yodeling.
Okay, I think you guys want to leave now. Bye.
Yeah, we're not leaving. We're not going anywhere. You stay right here or we'll hate you. I'm kidding.
Okay, so the slime's all done. I'll hurt it so you can feel it.
Do you like Brayden?
The slime's all done. It has glitter and it looks so pretty. Like and subscribe to my channel, me and Madison Slime. And I'm going to thank my assistant, EJ, for being in my video and being my assistant. And yeah, go follow him at Do It Like a Boss 2 on Instagram.
And wait, there's one thing I want to tell you guys. Mia won the bubble, and I had the brighter 100 fake dollars. I'll give you one fake dollar if you want, because that was a bet.
No. Okay. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So, glitter! Bye!